Hello, my name is Heidi. I am a student of my course. Today I am going to introduce a spice personal in my life. Mhm. This is my mother. Her mm, name is Socorro Gallardo. She is 67 years old. She was born in 1962. She is from Colombia, Barbacoa, Nariño. She is live in Colombia. She is a housewife in her daily life. She exercises, watches documentaries, and watches TV. In her free time, she likes to make tea of life dancing. I love her because she is very kind and important to me. Thank you for your attention. Thank you very much for your attention.